What's up everybody? I recently received a comment asking why can't I change the aspect ratio on CapCut? At first I couldn't understand why is this person commenting this question, but then I understood. And what I understood is that some of you might not know how to change the aspect ratio in your CapCut project. So it's really simple. Let's suppose I'm editing this video right now, the 4th episode of World Soccer Champs, and I have my project here on CapCut. The only thing that I need to do is right below the video here, we have full, then this zoom, and then aspect ratio. Let's click on this aspect ratio 16:9. This specific aspect ratio is for YouTube long form content. That's why I have it selected. If I were to make a short, I would select 9:16. See, it changes. That now I can just click on the video and increase. See, so simple as that. Let's go back. And here you also have the one-on-one, which is a square that is used for Instagram posts. Now let's see how you can do it on mobile. And as you can see, we have edit, audio, text, overlays, and if we go a bit further, we should see aspect ratio. Let's click on that. And here you have it. It's the same aspect ratios. You just have to select the one that you want and it will automatically change. Then obviously you have to click on the project video and adjust it. So there you have it. That's how you can change the aspect ratio on CapCut using your PC or mobile phone. If this was useful, make sure you like and subscribe for more future tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.